In this video, I will show you how to stop PC from auto shutdown. So to get started, go ahead and open your PC. Now once you're in here, go ahead and open settings by clicking on When I on your keyboard. So once you have opened settings, go ahead and click on system. So click on system in here. And then once you're inside your system settings, go ahead and look for power and sleep. So click on power and sleep tab from here, and then make sure to set the sleep and hibernate to never. Click additional power settings, change plan settings, and change advanced power settings. Expand sleep and hibernate and set both to never, and then save changes. And that is how you can basically stop PC from auto shutdown.